Hola, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I'm Kirsty Lowe and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the Korean lip care routine and how you can get soft, plump and juicy lips in 3 easy steps. So let's get started. Step 1, exfoliation. To exfoliate, I'm going to use the Tarte Pout Prep Lip Exfoliant. It's a minty lip scrub made from moisturising maracuja, shea butter and exfoliating sugar. To apply this, you use your fingers and gently scrubbing onto your lips in soft circular motions and really work it in, especially the corners of the lips and the areas that you have the most dry, flaky skin. The raw sugar granules will exfoliate and buff away any dry, flaky, dead skin from your lips to keep them looking super soft and smooth. Now the skin on your lips are quite thin and delicate, so it's best to exfoliate your lips once a week and at most twice a week, depending on how dry and flaky your lips are. Once this is done, just wipe it off with a damp cotton pad to reveal gorgeous soft lips. So exfoliating your lips helps to prepare and prime the lips ready for the next step, and that is step 2, hydration. Give your lips mega hydration by using a lip mask to hydrate your lips. I like to use the Kocostar Mint Lip Mask. These gel-like jelly masks are a really fun way to treat your lips as they're soaked in essences to moisturise and soften the lips. Just place it on clean, dry lips. The lip mask is quite big, so the skin around your lips will also get a boost too. Leave it on for about 10 minutes. Then slowly remove the lip mask and gently massage in any excess serum. To hydrate my lips, I also like to use the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It's full of antioxidants and hyaluronic acid that softens and soothes your lips all night. It smells so nice and very fruitilicious. So before going to bed at night, apply a small amount on the lips using the spatula that's included. It's got a rubber tip that makes application so easy. A little bit goes a long way. This mask melts dead skin cells and makes the lips feel smooth and elastic during sleep, so that when you wake up, you'll have smooth, soft, comfortable lips in the morning. Just gently wipe the lips clean with tissue or a damp cotton pad. And on to our final step, step 3, protection. One of the main causes of dry lips is sun exposure, so definitely use a SPF lip balm. You should always protect your lips the same way that you protect your face and body. That's why I like to use the Lanolips Tinted Lip Balm with SPF 30 in the shade Perfect Nude. It restores moisture and protects your lips with SPF 30. It's so hydrating and nourishing. It's got a sheer, pretty colour tint as well. I absolutely love this stuff. And voila, your lips are left feeling plump, hydrated and super soft. So I hope you all found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching and I shall see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye!